Today we have G Carestation 650. Today we will be doing the routine preventive maintenance of this, and we will be changing some kits, and we will be doing the thorough maintenance of this machine. Also, we will be showing the basic things which are associated with this machine. This is the visual from the back side. So this was the display unit, and this is the bellow unit, and there is the jar for gaseous exchange where carbon dioxide and other gases are soaked into bicarbonate. And backside you have the cylinders. You can see the cylinders. Then we have here gas ports. This is of oxygen. Below this is nitrous, N2O, and then the air. This is the front visual. This is the badging. This is for controlling air, nitrous, and oxygen. These are the vaporizer. This is isofluorine, and this is sevofluorine. Now we will be gently removing this part. This part just slides out and comes out. This is the PM kit parts, and these need to be changed once in a year. This will be cleaned. Now we will be remove the tubes and we will attach the filter. You can see the filter, round shape. filter change. ठीक है. Now sliding the body kit in front.
Give a lock.
Now after cleaning and reinstalling, we will switch on the machine. Now we will be calibrating the values with a predefined values which are mentioned on the cylinder. This is the gas module and the defend. Then this is the sample line and it goes to the cylinder, pressurized cylinder. This gauge shows the pressure of the cylinder. So we will attach the line here and then we will do the air gas calibration. Now we will start the calibration. So first it will do the zeroing. In zeroing we should close the regulator. The regulator will be closed or it will say to feed the gas.
देखिए अभी फीड बोल रहा है.
Now we will stop the gas feeding. We need to check the readings on the cylinder and need to put the same values on the machine. Now we are putting the values one by one. Whatever value is shown in the cylinder, we are putting the same value on the screen. Calibration result pass. From this, the air sample line comes over here and this is a humidifier. So if there is any moisture content, it gets collected over here and then it goes to the machine. So you can see the sample line and the humidifier. And this is the front end. Now zeroing in process. Now connecting and feeding the gas. Now putting the values mentioned in the gas cylinder on the anesthesia ventilator.
Okay.
Now it is passed. Now the calibration has been done. After the gas calibration is done, we will be checking the flow sensors of inspiratory and expiratory end. So there are two separate flow sensor for airflow. We need to carefully inspect this and we need to make sure that every component is attached in a tight manner so that there is no leakage over here. You can see in this preventive maintenance we check all these parts and we check and ensure that everything is connected properly. So after
होल है यहाँ पे.
inspecting we will be
इससे होके
refitting this. You also may note the oxygen sensor.
ये
So this is the oxygen sensor and this needs to be carefully checked and attached. Now after this all the things need to be connected properly and then the basic cleaning. So this was a brief part of preventive maintenance and calibration of GE Anesthesia Workstation. This in short I have shown you the major parts of the preventive maintenance and calibration. There are other cleaning and other things with the PM.